Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video in our beginner series of tutorials for Python. In this video we're going to be taking a look at lists. So let's jump straight into this. In Python we declare a list with a name first, then using an equal sign and opening a set of square brackets. We then put in our list items. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now something really important that we need to remember is that in lists we have an index and a value. What we've just put into our list there are values, and the index is their position within the list. In computers we start counting from the number 0. So the representation of indexes in this list would be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, we have the value 4. Might be a little bit confusing to start with, but we'll get there. So how do we access a value in an index within an array? We do that by calling our list, opening and closing a set of square brackets, and giving the index we want to access. So in this case we're going to put 2, so we're going to count 0, 1, 2 and access the value 3. We take that and print it, so we say print, open and close the parentheses around it, and hit run. We'll see that the number 3 is output. So now we know how to declare a list and assign values to it. We know how to access each index of the list. Let's take a look at adding to our list. So in order to add another value to our list, we call list.append. Open and close a set of parentheses, and we give a value. So let's add logically the number 6 to this list. If we then say print list, we should see the list outputted now with the number 6 on the end. So how do we now remove things from our list? Well, we can use the list.pop function, and we will just give the index of the item we wish to remove. So if I say list.pop 0, and then I print the list again, what we can expect to see is that our list will pop or remove the value in position 0 in our list. So that will be the number 1. So I hit run. We can see that we've managed to take that out of our list after adding to our list at the end. And that's it. That's as simple as lists are in Python. In this video you've learned how to create a list, add values to that list, how to print the value in an index of that list, how to append values to that list, how to remove specific values from the list too. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to the channel and sharing it with a friend who might find it interesting. Thanks for watching.